Ilang oras dapat nasa airport? Depende kung domestic o international ang flight mo. Pero kung OFW, seaman, o paalis ng bansa, mas safe ang mas maaga. International flight, OFW, travelers. 3 hanggang 4 hours before flight. Bakit? Mahabang check-in at baggage drop. Immigration at security. Possible secondary inspection. OEC at document verification, para sa OFW. Peak season congestion. Domestic flight, 2 hanggang 3 hours before flight. Mas mabilis ang proseso, pero may pila pa rin lalo na pag holidays at long weekends. Mas maaga kung peak season, DEC, summer. First time traveler, may connecting flight, maraming overweight baggage, malaking airport, HAL, Dubai International Airport o Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Reminder, boarding usually closes 30 hanggang 45 minutes before departure, hindi sa exact flight time. Kapag late ka, possible offload, rebook ang fee, sayang ang ticket. Safe rule, be at the airport 4 hours before international flight para may allowance sa traffic at pila. Mas okay ang maaga at kalmado kaysa nagmamadali sa huli. Maligayang paglalakbay po sa lahat.